We will send parachutes on the guns of the force. Get ready. Airborne from skies up the head in the door. Coming, make the jumps and take your boats today. Let's go put on your boots, your jumping boots, your parachutes, get all those glide.
And today on Have a Knife Day, we're here with a little bit more history in your pocket with a classic knife design from Queen Knives USA. I picked this up from Smoky Mountain Knife Works. So let's check out what's inside. It's a very nice packaging. It's a tin suitable for display. Lord knows how many boxes I have attempted to keep for the knives I collect, but you know you'll eventually end up with a whole room full of boxes. So here is the knife in question. Late one sleepless night, as I was cruising the knife sites as I do, I came upon this knife. And its looks, the blade shape, etc., it really got me to pull the trigger on it. And let's go ahead and pop this open. I saw the blade design and I'm like, that's gorgeous, I'm gonna get it. And now I'm here sharing it with you. What a treat, what a treat. Beautiful little knife. So, from the website, the Queen Cutlery Large Sheepsfoot Barlow is a classic pocket knife built for those who value tradition and rugged functionality. Crafted with a 3.75-inch durable 1095 carbon steel sheepsfoot blade, this knife is ready to tackle tough cutting tasks. The blade features a long pull and a satin finish, providing a clean, polished look that complements its cutting power. The handle is where craftsmanship and natural beauty shine. Genuine Stag scales give each knife a unique character, ensuring no two handles are alike. These scales are securely fastened with nickel-silver pins, and the oversized nickel-silver bolsters offer a sense of strength and durability that enhances the knife's traditional appeal. The brushed nickel-silver Q-shield inlaid into the handle adds a touch of refinement, symbolizing the long-standing quality associated with Queen knives. At 4 inches closed, this Barlow fits comfortably in the hand and pocket, making it the perfect companion for daily carry or outdoor adventures. The knife comes in a full-color collector's display tin, adding extra value for enthusiasts and collectors alike. Proudly made in USA, the Queen Knives Large Sheepsfoot Barlow represents an American craftsmanship at its finest. Limited edition of 600 in each pattern, so don't hesitate to obtain yours from SMKW, of course, today. And I'm not even sponsored by them. Go figure. Send me something. Just saying. So let's take a look at these specifications. The blade style is Sheepsfoot, web brand Queen Cutlery, origin of country, or country of origin if you're not dyslexic, is the USA. There you go. Edge type plain, handness is ambidextrous, so it's either hand. Handle color Stag, handle material Stag, knife style Barlow, a good classic design. The knife type, guess what? It's a pocket knife, slip joint, model number QGSH180, collector's tin, etc., etc. Morning prop, yeah, well, that's if you live in California. Close length 4 inches, blade finished satin, blade length 3.75 inches, blade thickness 0.06 inches, and an overall length of 7.7 inches overall. So, another Barlow finds its way into my collection. What a fantastic little walk through history. I really appreciate these. Seeing that the first time I really looked into this was by watching a channel called Arizona Ghost Riders. And they have you can go over and ask them questions. The host's name is Santi. Hey, Santi, what about saloons in the Old West? And he's, go through it in a very timely manner, unlike myself, who is very long-winded. But there you go. I watch a lot of that, and the Barlow design is something that has been used for a very long time. So, has this inspired you to add a Barlow to your collection? Let me know in the comments. Thank you so much for spending time here with me today. As always, I'm going to wish you to have a knife day.
We will send parachutes on the guns of the forces. junkie.